Hello, I'm Dr. Hussain Iqbal. I'm an orthodontist and dentofacial orthopaedist. I specialize in smile design and invisible braces, invisible aligner systems, and also orthodontics per se. So what are the advantages of Invisalign? If one asks me, sir, what is the advantage of Invisalign over traditional braces or over the other counterparts that, resolve the malocclusion? So Invisalign, the most important advantage of Invisalign is it's removable in nature. That means you don't have to have a fixed appliance in your system for the remaining part of your treatment till the treatment gets over. Once with braces, the problem is once the braces are fixed in your mouth, till your treatment gets over, it's not going off anywhere. It will be there inside your mouth and you might feel discomfort. You might feel, the wire poking you somewhere. But these kind of issues do not come across. You won't come across with Invisalign. It's a removable system. It's very easy to clean and maintain. You can remove the tray, you can clean the tray nicely from within, and you can wear the tray. You can clean your teeth. Your gums are in a better health with Invisalign as compared to the traditional braces. You can eat conveniently on top of everything, because many people are very fond of eating, but with braces inside their mouth, the eating is compromised, and their major concern and complaint is they are not able to eat properly. So with Invisalign, you won't have that complaint as you can remove it. In certain cases, you can even consume food using these Invisalign trays. Minor food like fruits, like say watermelon, you can have with Invisalign. It doesn't discolor the trays, and it's very convenient you can have your milkshakes and juices and soft fruits with Invisalign trays inside the mouth, so it doesn't bother you at all. Very convenient, very comfortable, and very aesthetic. For any queries related to invisible braces or Invisalign per se, please get in touch with our happy smile partner CureIndia.com, and they'll take you through how Invisalign works and what best can be done in your smile.
If you are interested in treatment in India, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a new video from us.